Okay, YouTube. It's been a while. We missed some steps because my recording phone has disappeared. Luckily, I managed to get video off it before it disappeared. So, got that going for me, which is nice, I guess. But yeah. Whoever designed this engine, somebody hurt them. And it shows in their work. Because all this having to come apart. All of this having to come off. For this motherfucker right here. Victory is mine. And the surprising part is it's even an AC Delco. It's got the double seal like they do. And it looks like an AC Delco. It doesn't have any AC Delco branding on it. Just casting numbers. So yeah. It's going in the meltdown section. And yeah. We're going to put on this brand new bad boy. Oh, I guess it's not AC Delco because that one has a plastic impeller and this one is cast iron. And way heavier duty. So yeah, that's got to be an AC Delco knockoff. So while I've got you guys here, quick note. The Pittsburgh 8mm does not work very well on that hidden bolt up behind the cam gear right over there for the chain guide. However, the diehards, they will grab it and bust it loose. That is the Advanced Auto brand of wrench. My Pittsburghs, just the cheapie out of a kit Pittsburgh, were skipping off of it. But the diehards managed to actually grab a bite and bust it loose. Because, fuck you. Oh, also, be aware, some of the Amazon cam tool kits do not work on both engines. I just had to return one and reorder one, and I got ballsy and did this without locking the cams in, but they're at their spot. And the previous mechanic that put in a water pump did not put the chain back on correctly, so I was sitting here spinning it. You know, why are they not lining up? Why are they not lining up? And, you know, they kept showing up like 5 teeth behind. I kind of put 2 and 2 together. Because the previous mechanic that was in here, they did not replace the valve cover gaskets when they opened it up. All they did was slap on some extra RTV and call it good. There were some bolts in here that were damaged previously and made it rough to get out, so I'm just gonna bite the bullet, and when I'm in town tomorrow I'm gonna swing by Ford and get a couple of extra water pump bolts for this thing, because they're gonna be like 60 fucking cents. So anyways, beware of vehicles that have been touched by less inclined mechanics, or mechanics that just don't give a damn. They're rushed. They get paid by the job. Flat rate sucks. So does working on shit like this for free. But then again, I like free babysitting. All right, YouTube. See you later. I'll have an actual video on disassembly and how to get to this point soon. I just have to deal with kids and video editing because I suck at video editing. All right, laters.